get this. Which kind of wahala be this? What's this? iPhone 12 Pro Max. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Explansia. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. I am excited for today's video because you guys know that I love surprises. I think I've been saying this for the longest. Like, I love surprises. So I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box. It's not a box right now. This is not a box, but then it came like this, and there are so many parcels inside. Now I believe these parcels are people's missing parcels. That's the part that made me buy this thing, because like I want to see what people buy, and guess what, it's all going to be mine. So that's pretty interesting. Now this mystery bag was 29 yuan. I don't know how much 29 yuan is in kwacha, but then I'll put how much it is in kwacha and probably in dollar. I'm going to be estimating how much each thing was, and I'm going to see if this mystery box was worth it or it wasn't worth it, because you know, at the end of the day, it might probably be me wasting money, but I want to see if I actually wasted money. Do you guys think I spent more or less? Comment down below. Before we get right into the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below, share this video with a friend, guys, because we need to grow as a family. Right now we are 1,124 subscribers. I always check out my subscribers, and thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. So yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm nervous. Oh my god. Oh my god. I see a lot of girly stuff. Okay, so I'm going to be putting my stuff here. Whew. Now, when I checked out this mystery box on Pinduoduo, it actually said 29 yuan could like get you 50 stuff, and I think that was like 15 yuan would get you like 15 stuff, and then 2 yuan would get you one thing. Then I was like, let me just pay 29 yuan and get 50 stuff. So let's see the stuff that I got. Oh my god, I'm going to be putting everything here. Number one. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? I think they just put random stuff, like anything. Like, how? What will I use this for? Next. Next. Is this underwear? Better be kidding me. What the hell is this? Oh, funny thing is that I have a volleyball game tomorrow, so I'll probably wear this and look like a pro. These are like hand warmers, I think. I don't know what you call them, but I think they're hand warmers. So I don't know how much that was, so I'll put a 0 for it, because I think it's just trash. And then this probably is like 4 yuan or 3 yuan on Pinduoduo, so we're calculating to see if our surprise box or mystery box was worth it. Oh, this is cute. I think my little brother can like this. This is a puzzle. I don't know how much this puzzle can be, so I'm just going to put it at 3 yuan, 3 or 4. Next is a box. Now remember, I told you guys that these are actually people's missing parcels. Like, there's some stuff that you buy and they don't reach you, so I think they auction them, and this is what comes. So this is probably someone's parcel, because it has the, oh my god, what the hell is this? This looks, ooh, I thought it was a power bank. I thought it was a power bank, but I don't know what this is. I really don't know. But I think it's like worth some money. Probably. Oh, they're like mosquitoes. I don't know if you guys can see. They're like mosquitoes. I think it's like a insect repellent thing. I don't know, but I would say it's probably more than 10 yuan, so I'll say 10 yuan for that one. And this, I don't know what this is, but it says grape. Probably 7.5. A mini bulb. Oh, I have a lamp right behind me, and my bulb changes colors. But sometimes I think I'm going to be switching it up with this one. Though it looks small, I don't think it can fit on my lamp. So this is probably 3 yuan. I think most of the stuff are like 3 yuan. And another parcel, which is in a box. Let's see what it is. What's this? I think it's like a handle. I'm not sure, guys. Probably 10 or 5 yuan. Another handle. Okay, so now we have 2 handles. Earbuds. I love earbuds because I'm always cleaning my ears and I love cleaning people's ears. So I usually buy earbuds and they're like 2 yuan. So these are 2 yuan. I think another handle. So many handles, eh? 3 handles. This looks empty. No, it's not empty. I think this is a screen protector. Yep. What phone? I honestly don't know what phone. I think it's an iPhone. iPhone protector. And my screen protector is in shambles. Number 2, same as this purple one, but this one is brown sugar. I don't know what this is, but probably maybe some skincare stuff. Oh, a phone case. What phone is this? Wow, I think I'm even past 29 yuan right now. Ooh, I think I have some friends with this type of phone because I'm still on a saving, guys. So send me the money. I need the money. I need to upgrade. But I'm like kind of working on getting a camera because like girl has been struggling with recording videos, so I need a camera, guys. But fingers crossed. This is hard. Okay, I think it's the same repellent thing. What's this? It says Mini Love. Mini Love official spray for men. Natural plant nano extracts. Whatever that is. I can't smell anything. I think I've lost count, but I'm pretty sure we are above 29 yuan. Oh, this is where you put your phone when you're like going swimming. Yeah, I'm not going to open this, but you guys can see. I think this is like not more than 10 or probably even 10 yuan itself. That's this. Tissue. Oh, serviettes. These are serviettes. So many random stuff in here. What's this? Hey. What's this? What will I use this for? Okay, to be honest, some things can be pretty useless. Next. It says, oh, I actually needed this. It's a keyboard protective film. I think I said that right. Yeah, I needed this. So next thing, somebody's parcel. Again. Oh, this looks big actually. Let's see. What's this? What am I going to use this for when I go fishing? Nah. I think this came in the bag. Okay. What's this? I can't even read it, but it says it's a plant gel. Another phone case. Oh, this phone case is actually cute. I think I'll keep these phone cases. I'm not giving anyone because these phone cases will motivate me to buy a new phone. I think I'm keeping this. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. Again, another cloth. Wow, they just keep on putting random stuff. Like, this is completely random. What do I need this for? Maybe I might use it for my desk behind. Yeah, I think I'm keeping this. I'm definitely keeping that. Again, okay, so now I think they like putting different random stuff to like fulfill the number 50, because it says if you buy the 29 yuan package, you get 50 different items in your mystery box. Now these are the 50 different items, so they put in this like 2 of them, so this is like 1, 2, like 2 items, which is not fair to be honest. But I think most of the stuff that I'm like getting out, if I like sum them up, are like more than 29 yuan, so it's kind of fair. But like these are not the stuff that I would like buy. Like, why do I need that repellent thing? Like 3 of them in the hanger. What do you call it? The handle. No. Next. Two phone cases. iPhone 12 Pro Max. I don't have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Another phone case. Oh, that's why I have these. So to put your card. I don't have a student card, sadly. So I'll probably give someone who has earbuds again. I think most of the stuff are like repeated because they want to like fulfill the number 50, but this is really unfair. I am complaining. I was expecting more stuff, you guys. You don't know how much I was excited to shoot this video. When I saw the package, I was just like, I need to shoot the video today. What's this? Oh, a tape measure. Now this can come in handy. Okay, I have 2 USB cables. Now these are Android cables. Might come in handy one day, so I'm going to keep these cables. Another cable. What's this shoe? Wow, first I get a fish net. I get these silver whatever. If you guys know what these things can be used for, please comment down below. I think I need to know. Probably they're used for something, because they just can't put useless stuff. Okay, they can, but why? Why this amount of this? Next, earbuds again, but these ones came out from the package. So I think I have like 4 earbud packages. Earbuds, am I saying it right? Earbuds, bags. I don't know what this is. And another one, I don't know what this is. If you guys know what some of these things are, please comment down below, because I want to know. Oh my god. I think this is like a phone stand. I am a series person. I usually love to watch movies and series. Way back, I used to watch my series and movies on my phone. So now that I have a PC, I watch them on my laptop. But sometimes I do watch them on my phone. So this can come in handy on some days that I feel like watching the series or movies on my phone. So definitely keeping this one. And another one. I think I'll keep the black one because the black one looks better. So guys, I think that's it. This is the last item in this mystery box. I don't know what you guys think. was this mystery box worth it? If you guys feel that I wasted my money, please comment down below. And I'm thinking of like making this a segment on my channel. I want to have like a playlist. I want to be doing more of these videos, probably like every month, like at the month end or something. I don't know, you guys should comment down below if you want more of these videos. And if you really like this video, please comment down below. Tell me your favorite item or the most funny item that you thought was useless. I definitely think this box was more than the amount that I spent, but then most of the stuff were useless at the end of the day. There's some useful stuff that I ended up finding in this mystery box, and I am definitely getting another mystery box, but I feel it's going to be the same stuff again. Maybe I'll get it from another shop. If you guys want more of these videos, I have so many mystery box things. I just want to be doing mystery boxes because I love surprises. If you guys feel like surprising me one day, please do. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video with a friend. If you want more videos like this one, please